So I'm getting ready to test out this cordless vacuum cleaner. Another brand did gift this to me, so I'm gonna open it up, show you what it comes with, and then we're gonna test it out. There is the head itself. Now this is an anti-tangle head, so nothing is supposed to get wrapped around there. It does have a 90-minute battery life. I've never personally owned one that has that long of a charge. Of course, it also includes this wall charger and then some extra HEPA filters. This way you're cleaning the air as you are vacuuming. Got your crevice tool here, the extension wand that is completely adjustable. You've got your upholstery attachment, of course the charger for it, and then your main unit right here. That fits nice and comfortable in your hand, and it's not very heavy at all. Something about the vacuum itself, it does have a 650 watt motor power, and then the KPA of this one is 55, which basically is measuring the suction power of this vacuum cleaner. Of course, you can see the canister size is very large. If you want to take the entire top off, you're just going to push this little red button here at the bottom. Pops it right off. And if you want to be able to take the canister off, you're just going to push this other button and it easily comes off. There is where your HEPA filter is located. And again, they do send an extra one, and then it's super simple just to pop it back in place. What else you can see is it's completely freestanding. And then, like I said, this is nice and lightweight, so if you're someone that can't pick up a lot, you don't have to worry about that here. So I completely charged the battery, so I'm just gonna place it on. So something that's pretty cool about how you turn this one on is you just actually pull the trigger and it instantly turns it on, and then just pull it again and it turns it off. So I really do like that feature. Okay, so let me show you the actual screen. Click it on there. It shows you your battery life, which is nice and big. I don't have to squint to see that. Of course, it has 3 different modes. There's your low, your medium, and your high. I do want to show you, it's got this green light. That really helps you see all the dust and dander and dog hair, whatever it is you're picking up. Not all cordless vacuums have these. And this is also really nice for underneath your bed or a couch or your kitchen table. This way you can see exactly what you're picking up. As you can see, the head glides really nice, swivels. Going right to a rug, no problem at all. And this is actually one of those washable rugs that usually most vacuum cleaners will suck up. So this is not doing that at all. And I only have it on the lowest level. Let's kick it up. Now there it grabs it, but on the first one it does not. So as long as you use it on the lower setting, it will vacuum these washable rugs. There you can see all kinds of hair and grass. Love the green light. And again, that's only on the lowest setting. Jumping over to a rug. Back to the hardwood floor. You can see all kinds. This is definitely an area that gets really dirty, so I'm going to test it out on this rug. You can hear all the suction power. Take it right to my steps. This works beautifully. Okay, I just finished doing my steps. Look how much hair that picked up. It almost creates like a vortex in there because it's just got so much suction. So right there, Just shows you how much it can pull up. Now let's go empty this in the trash. Just by pushing that button, look at all that dust even that it picked up. So that really does have great suction. So as you can see, this picked up a ton. I would definitely recommend it. The 90-minute battery, that green light on the front so you can see everything. It's nice and lightweight. Of course, it's got that HEPA filter, so it's cleaning your air as you're vacuuming. And of course, it's completely cordless, so it's very easy to move throughout your house. So if you're checking this one out, I would definitely recommend.